Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will dive into business rule in Dynamic 365 CE. In this video, we will cover what business rules are and how to create business rules step by step. So let's understand the business rule first. Business rule in Dynamic 365 are no code solution for automated fields behavior on forms. With business rule, you can set field value, show and hide field, lock and unlock field, display error message. Now let's create the business rule. Here the scenario is if the account type is set to standard, the discount field should be hidden, and if it's set to the premium, the discount field should be shown. Now let's create it. Open the solution that you have created for the customization. Like here, I have created a demo solution for the customization. After that, click on tables, then select the table in which you have to create the business rule. Here in customization, you will see business rule option. Click on it. Now in the ribbon you will see a new business rule option. Click on it. Now give the name of business rule, like I am giving the name show and hide discount field. Then click on condition. Here my entity is account and then source is entity. Then select the correct field. My field is account type. After that select the value like standard, then apply. After that click on add, then select an action according to your need. I have to select this set visibility, click on it, then add it. After that, in visibility, select the correct field. Here my field is discount percent. Search for discount. Here is the discount field, click on it, and then click on no, then apply. Here you will see my first condition. If account type equal to standard, then hide the discount field. Now let's create the another condition. Click on add, and here click on add condition, then add it. After that, here my entity is account and then source is entity. After that, select the field account type and then select the value premium. After that, click on apply. Now add an action, click on add. Here add set visibility action, add it. After that, on visibility, select the discount field and here set visibility yes, then apply it. Here you will see my second condition, account type equal to premium, so the discount field. Now the business rule it created. Click on validate. Here you will see validation successful. Then click on save. Now click on activate. Here the business rule is activate. Now open the Sales Hub app in Dynamic 365 to check the business rule is working or not. Click on Sales Hub. After that, click on accounts. Then in the ribbon, click on new. Here you will see the two field account type and discount. Then here select the account type standard. Here you will see discount field is hide. Then select the account type premium. And here you can see the discount field is visible. That's it for this video. In this video, we have covered business rule and how to create them. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.